driving a 40-foot bus. Been doing it full-time for about 4 years, and we love it. We're not going to quit. So why not take this mobile RV tech on the road with us and enjoy meeting people and doing some jobs along the way. My name's Donnie and I'm here at the NRVTA. First heard about this school from, of course, my wife watching a YouTube program from Changing Lanes, and said I need to do this, and about a year later I'm now finally listening to her. Semi-retired, was a builder and a building inspector and a real estate inspector before this. I want to get this school under my belt to not only gain another certification, but start another mobile RV tech business. You know, to me, it's a great full-time or part-time retirement job for me that gets me out of the house because I can't stay in the house. So I'm happy to be here, and I'm glad that the NRVTA is actually a thing that we can rely on and that future customers can look to see who all's certified, that no matter the background they go through this class, you know, they're worth hiring.